Let's go through the point of sale for Digital Wrench. Very simple point of sale designed to sell parts at your store. So you can either sell parts to a cash customer by clicking on the cash button, or you can sell it to a specific customer. Let's go ahead and click on the F2 and bring up a specific customer. If the customer is not in the system, you can add them by clicking on the Insert Add button. Let's go ahead and select a customer. You just scan or type in your item number that you're selling. If the item number has a serial number, you can have the serial number window automatically pop up, and you just enter in your serial number. It'll attach the serial number to the sale. When you're ready to finish, you click on the Finish button, enter the amount tendered, complete the payment. And we have 40 column invoices and several 80 column invoices to choose from, so you can print out an invoice that will suit you, or you can use our report writer to customize an invoice specifically the way you want it. If you put an item on the screen and you decide you don't want to sell it, you can just click on the item and click on the delete button and remove the item from the screen. If you have a whole list of items on the screen, you can click on the delete all button or press F7 and take all the items off the screen to cancel the sale. If you don't know the part number, you can click on F5 or click on this Find Part button. You can set this window to look up parts by description, part number, or category, and it will remember that for you. You just select the part you want, it will put it on the screen. Again, all you have to do is finish the transaction and you're done. This automatically creates an invoice in your system, so you can go into history and see what any particular customer has done for work orders and or sales. So that's the point of sale screen for Digital Wrench. It's an excellent program for doing fast sales on your counter, and I hope you enjoy it.